everybody, and welcome. Michael Oskam here from Pro Audio Lessons. Today, I just want to give you a quick demonstration of the kind of work that I do here at Pro Audio Lessons and with my other company, Mixes by Michael. It's sort of an advertisement, I suppose, is the kind of quality work that you can expect from me, but it's also just kind of a fun experiment because some of you may remember I had a contest going on through the summer. It was actually just a drawing, and the winner actually got a free mix session on whatever song they were working on. Part of the deal was that I'll get to turn around and make lessons for the channel using their song and using their original mix session to kind of help the viewers out there and see how you can take something from a very rough stage and get it to a final polished mix. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I just want you to take a listen because that's what this is going to be. I'm going to be switching back and forth between the rough mix, so the mix that the client had and the way that it sounded before it was sent to me, and then I'm going to A/B it with my final mix, the way that it ended up sounding with everything mixed and done. Thank you so much again to Gerardo. He is the person who is behind this song, so thank you so much for letting me use it in this way and for trusting me to remix your whole song. All right, here we go, guys. All right, so yeah, that's that, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As mentioned before, hit me up at proaudiolessons@gmail.com or mixesbymichael@gmail.com. Either one of those will get to me. and let's chat. If you have a project in mind, be it something for me to mix or master, mix and master, or if you'd like a personalized lesson showing you the tricks of the trade on your own track, that can be arranged too. Always happy to help and always happy to talk to like-minded audio people like yourself. Audio nerds, mix nerds, whatever you want to call us, just people who are passionate about audio all around. So again, hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and thank you so much to the people who participated in the summer drawing. And everyone, please stay tuned to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so, because lessons featuring this song and how I transformed it into what you just heard are going to be coming out shortly. So you're not going to want to miss those. Anyway, keep mixing, guys. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.